Hey everybody, I'm Maggie Yu, MD, holistic and functional medicine physician and owner of Transform Autoimmune Disease Naturally. There's a Facebook group for us if you want to join it for free. I'm a functional and holistic medicine physician, but I'm also a foodie. I love to cook, I love to eat, and I also love to shop. I wanted to check out some of the organic or produce delivery services that are popping up that you see on Facebook and on the internet. And Perfectly Imperfect is one that I've seen banned in my area, so I wanted to try it out. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies that I do a box opening for. However, if you are interested in signing up for Perfectly Imperfect, there is a link below for you to save $10 off your first box if you're interested. Thanks. Hey everybody, I'm doing an unboxing video of my Perfectly Imperfect produce that I just got. This is the first time that I'm trying this service. I kind of love the idea that they have conventional and organic produce that are imperfect, meaning they don't look perfect. That would be going to waste, and they're basically recycling them and selling them at a pretty discounted rate and variety, and they basically deliver it to your door. I ordered this on, today is Friday. In my area, the delivery date is Friday, and I ordered it, I think, on Tuesday or Wednesday. And what was cool is I got to customize my box. You don't just get random vegetables that you don't want. And so I was able to pick more of the stuff I wanted, and none of the stuff I didn't want. And they had other things that weren't produce items that I was able to add. What I was surprised at was the prices, okay? I compared the prices of organic produce at my local stores compared to what they were selling it at. And typically the prices were the same or cheaper. So I'm interested to see what the quality is on these, and I'm just gonna show you guys, okay? Cool? I'm Maggie Yu, MD, Functional Medicine MD, and we have a program, Transform Autoimmune Naturally. And I'm a foodie. I love food and I love to cook. So this is just one of the things I do is I love to unbox. I love unboxing videos, okay? So number one is pineapple. I always use pineapple. I love juicing with pineapple. And this is an organic pineapple. Typically a regular pineapple in the store is anywhere from $2.99 to $4.99, average around $3.99. This was $3.99 and it's an organic pineapple. And with pineapple, you gotta smell it to tell how good it is. One thing I noted is that the bottom still looks really fresh and not like it's totally dry and rotted looking on the bottom, which a lot of pineapple in the stores, because they travel long distances. This looks like a pretty fresh pineapple, and it's these arrived cool, like it came out of a refrigerated truck. The delivery person just dropped it off literally 5 minutes ago. Ooh, okay, organic broccoli. This looks really great. Typically in my store, the organic broccoli is probably like $2.99 a pound. And I believe this was similar. It was similar, or either that was about $1.99. You can tell this is really fresh. And it's like a medium stemmed broccoli. It looks really good. I don't see what's imperfect about this. And this is organic broccoli, which we all know is a cruciferous vegetable that I eat all the time to help balance hormones and stimulate my liver to help your body detox, okay? And fiber, really good for the bacteria in your gut, okay? Fibers are probiotic. Ooh, sweet potato. These are organic sweet potatoes, which are not always available in the regular market. You go to Whole Foods or something, you can buy it. These look really good, good size. I don't like small ones. This is good. These are 2. I was able to pick whether I wanted 1, 2. It was by pound, and I think I asked for 2 or 3 pounds of it. This looks good. Green onions, organic green onions. These look really great, fresh. Ooh, organic asparagus. These are baby asparagus, which is really cool. I love just doing a quick roast with some good oil and salt, or broil in the oven, and then squeezing some lemon juice on it to finish. Incredibly fresh. I don't know what's imperfect about this. Oh, they had Brussels sprouts, and most of the time I can't find organic Brussels sprouts in the regular market, in the organic section. I believe this was $1.99 a pound. I think they're a pound a bag, and I ordered 2. These look great. I mean, really fresh, like nothing brown in them. I mean, this is fresher than what I would get at the regular market. Ooh, I got organic blueberries. That's really cool. It's always nice to get it. My daughter loves blueberries, and blueberries is filled with phytonutrients. Really fresh. Pretty good. I like these. Okay, more. Oh, I got some organic apples. Apples are part of the Dirty Dozen, so it's one of the items that takes a lot of pesticides to grow. So it's one of the Dirty Dozen, so you definitely want to get apples organic. And apples that are organic, I mean, they are a phytonutrient power punch, the skins and the apple. So I love these. They don't look waxed to me, which is great. And no bruising, no brown spots. I don't know what's imperfect about this. I'm gonna put it right into my fruit basket over here. Ooh, I got organic peppers. Oh, I love roasting mini sweet peppers. So a lot of you who know me cooking will know that I do tray bakes, which is I take a lot of chopped root vegetables and peppers like this, pour some oil and salt on it, and pan roast the whole thing. And that's like vegetables I can use for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You know, 3-4 times a week. I just pan roast once or twice a week, and it lasts me an entire week. These sweet peppers are perfect to go with the chunks of root vegetables to roast. They come out really roasted and brown and stuff, and delicious. Okay, this is organic too. There are bags that you can buy in the store, but they're not organic. These are organic, and the price was very similar to the non-organic version in the store. These cucumbers are small though. I will admit, these are small. These are organic cucumbers, which I love in when I juice. So I like juicing pineapple with cucumbers in there and ginger. I love ginger. So they had ginger available, but I didn't need any because I had a bunch. But organic ginger is sometimes hard to find. And I put it right in my juice. So I got a couple pounds of these cucumbers. They're smaller than I expected, but it's not really a problem. I'm just gonna juice them. So they look great. And then avocados. Let's see. I think these avocados were like $2.69 for 3, and they were organic. Kind of puny, little puny. Versus I was able to get in the market some really big avocados that were organic that I made a slaw earlier today that you guys saw for $4 or $5, but that's on sale. So this was $2.69 for 3, so that would be about 80 cents each, 85 cents each. Small, a little small. I don't know if I would buy these again. I would order the avocados again. Oh, squash, got a squash. I think I just wanted one in my pan roast. And oh, I got a couple oranges. These look really great. Oh wow, this lemon's huge. So I got a ginormous lemon and a small lemon. I think it went by pound, and it was a really decent price, but that's a really good sized lemon. This almost reminds me of the lemons I saw in Hawaii that were like the size of grapefruits. Yeah, and then I got a couple items that were not produce. So that I just bought and added, and I'm gonna try. It's kind of cool because, you know, I love bacon, you know that. I'm not a vegetarian. I do really believe that you have to have a good balance of fat, protein, and fiber. And it's easier to get it in some animal protein. Some people, if you want to choose a vegetarian, vegan diet, you can, but it's just harder. But for me, I do love bacon. They sell Hempler's bacon, which I really like because it's natural, it's uncured, there's no nitrites added, which is kind of cool. And on this one, there's also no antibiotics. It's listed as no gluten, no MSG, no added hormones. I like this brand. So this package of Hempler's typically run in my market about $5.99. This was $4.99, $5, right around there. But I do notice it's a 12 ounce, and in my market is 16 ounce. So I think it's basically the same price as what I can get at the market near my house. So, but still, the convenience of having delivered to your home at the same price, can't beat that. That's cool. Oh, this is the latest, greatest find I love, and I was so happy to be able to find it here. This is a Kimchi Sriracha that I found that is a recent love called Wild Brine. And I love it. I put it on everything. You know the benefits of fermented foods. I love kimchi and I love hot sauce. So what's not to love about this product? So I found it in like Whole Foods recently, but I was happy to find that of the non-produce items that they sold, which was many, this was one of the items. So I eat this all the time. And a lot of kimchi, sometimes the chili base in it that you buy commercially has some gluten in it. So if you're truly gluten-free, like this product has no gluten in it. So this is gluten-free. It says raw, vegan, and gluten-free, which is really cool. Awesome. Oh, this is a cheese I want to try. I heard from a lot of my clients that this vegan Chow cheese is really good. While I'm not vegan, my significant other is. And so it'll be really interesting to try because I'm looking at this and it's made with, this one just says slices of creamy cheese, and it says filtered water, coconut oil, modified corn and potato starch, fermented chow tofu, sesame oil, olive extract. So like all natural ingredients. There is corn and potato starch in here if you're sensitive to it. I'm interested to try it out and see how it is. A lot of vegan cheese I can't do because I'm actually intolerant of cashews, and this one doesn't have cashews, so I'm interested in trying it. So this is my haul. Oh, and it came with a little guide of how to store your food right and waste less. I like this. So it tells you can store your lemons on the counter, basil in a jar. This is cool. Peaches on the counter, what you can store on the counter, what you can store in the pantry. Oh, garlic, potatoes, nice. Onions. And then in the fridge, what goes in the fridge? Interestingly, guys, tomatoes never put in the fridge, okay? That'll kill the flavor of your tomato. So yeah, I totally agree with tomatoes on the counter. I love it. This is really nice. I think total for this box was like about $40, which is what I typically would spend on the produce for my family for a week. And ta-da, that's what you got. I'm overall, so far, pretty excited. I'm gonna be eating this throughout the week. But it's just a new service I'm trying, and I was just gonna unbox and show you guys what I found in my first box. I'm only trying anything twice, and makeup is the same thing. I love makeup, and so I always love unboxing and trying new things out and making videos of it. Hope you enjoy it. If you like what you're watching, you want more of these videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you get notified every time I have a new video coming up. And in the comment section, if there's any service that you want me to try out and do a box opening, go ahead and put in the comment section what service you or company you'd like me to do an unboxing for, and I'll try it out. To learn more about me, you can go to drmaggieyu.com. We also have an online program for transforming autoimmune disease naturally, and we have a Facebook group by that name as well if you want to join. It's for free. All the links are below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you click subscribe and check the bell button so that you get notified every time I come on. Thank you.